So let's tone down the hot-headedness a little and think what will happen if a small-scale war breaks out.
Yeah, so even if a small scale war breaks out, we have still more at
Hey guys, today we want to talk about a much serious topic, which is the Uri attacks. So we went out in public, asked for people's take on Uri attacks, but this is what happened.
Hi, do you have a minute? Yeah, you.
Yeah, sure.
So basically, I have a YouTube channel and I have to ask some questions from you.
Oh, YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Pranks.
Uh, we give some information as well on YouTube.
Informational pranks.
No, so basically, I want to talk to you about Uri incident that has happened between India and Pakistan.
Oh, match. India-Pakistan match. यार
No,
मैंने Excuse me, bro. Do you have a minute?
हाँ भाई क्या हुआ?
I have some questions about the Uri incident. Would you like to answer?
हिंदी में पूछेगा तो जवाब दूंगा भाई मैं.
भैया इतने offend क्यों हो रहे हो?
अरे भाई ना आती अंग्रेजी.
अच्छा
हिंदी में
अच्छा
पूछ ले.
हिंदी में हिंदी.
पूछ.
आपको क्या लगता है पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के बीच में जो टेंशन चल रही है उसका क्या सोल्यूशन है?
भाई सॉल्यूशन क्या है? एक बात बता तू मुझे. 19 जवान मार दिया हमारे इन्होंने. हमने यहाँ सेलिब्रिटी बाहर निकाले तो यहाँ पे भैंचोद ये सूडो सेक्युलर बहन के भाई गांड मार देनी चाहिए. और सबसे बड़ी गलती इसमें. So guys, India is divided into three right now. Number one, the ignorant people. Number two, the hot-headed people. And number three, the pacifists, who are also considered anti-nationals.
So guys, let's be hot-headed for a second and actually think we can go to a war against our nations, a full-out nuclear war. What will happen then? Manchu, what will happen?
Yeah, I'll tell you. We have some facts here. 21 million people will be killed instantly because of a war. Half of the world's ozone layer will be destroyed. Monsoon and agriculture will suffer across the world, not just only in India and Pakistan. And one more interesting fact, guys. The death toll would be 2,221 times the number of civilians and security forces killed by terrorists in past 9 years in India.
Okay, that's too much. Do you guys still want to go to war after listening to all this? अगर वॉर लड़ना ही है तो एज सेड बाय आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, लड़ो जंग लेकिन अशिक्षा, पावर्टी, मैल न्यूट्रिशन के अगेंस्ट जंग लड़ो, देशों के साथ जंग मत लड़ो, और फिर देखेंगे कौन जीतता है वो जंग.
And also guys, if a nuclear war or any kind of war was a solution, then we would have had no issues with Pakistan because we have already fought 4 wars in past 69 years. Stop it, Sarpan.
So guys, let's be a little less hot-headed and think what would happen even if a small-scale war breaks out.
Yeah, so even if a small scale war breaks out, we still have more at stake because our economy is 10 times that of Pakistan. And the recent efforts made by our present government to attract more FDI, it will be a complete waste, guys.
That's true, man. Also, when we are the largest growing economy in the world, do we really need a war?
So if not war, then what can we do? We would like to know it from you guys. So write it in the comments below.
तो अब पाकिस्तानी एक्टर पर जो बैन लगा है उस बारे में बात करें.
नहीं यार, बहुत सीरियस हो गया यार. अब थोड़ा लाइटन अप करते हैं.
LCFS. You can like, you can comment, like and comment. You can subscribe, you can share. Subscribe and share, like and comment. Subscribe and share. Like, comment, subscribe and share.
Do we have to do this now to get famous?